Hi everyone, let's solve this differentiation question. If y equal to x squared, then find the y dx using the first principle. If you are to use the general rule, this will take you just 2 seconds. But we are to solve the problem using the first principle. So the first thing you need to do is to add changing y to the y and changing x to x. So add changing y to y, then add changing x to x. Then the second thing you need to do here is to make changing y the subject. So changing y equal to x plus changing x all square minus y. When you move it to the other side, then changing y will now be equal to x plus changing x all square minus y, and the value of y is x squared, so x squared. Then the next thing is to open this square, that's 2 of it, x plus changing x plus changing x minus x squared. So changing y will now be x squared plus x changing x plus x changing x plus changing x all square minus x square. So the changing y, so the x square and x square will minus each other. This plus this will have 2 of them, 2x changing x plus changing x all square. Then the next thing is to divide through by changing x. So that will be changing y divided by changing x, 2x changing x divided by changing x plus changing x all square divided by changing x. So this will be changing y divided by changing x. Changing x cancel out, you have 2x. This double cancel 1, you left with 1. Then to have the y dx, you have to introduce the limits. So a limit changing x tends to 0, changing y changing x equal to 2x plus changing x. Now let me